Zay, would you mind turning that up, please?
Now, Bill Henderson didn't lead from behind a desk. He led by example, from the front line, which is why we are all here today, to pay respect and honor to Mr. Bill Henderson. And nobody knew him better than his lifelong friend, former Olympian, principal of Garfield High School, Mr. Jefferson Pierce, who I've asked here today to say a few words.
Jefferson Pierce, this way.
I think, Bill would have found all this kind of funny. Over the top. Henderson loved Freeland. It was all in his bones and his heart muscles. He spent his whole life fighting for her. And he died the way he lived, fighting for the city and the people that he loved.
Pierce, one statement, please.
Now I'd like to introduce you to our new Chief of Police, Chief Lopez.
Henderson would still be alive if it wasn't for the large amount of undocumented metas running rampant in Freeland. It is because of them that we need to rebuild this city's trust in the department. I will make sure that every meta in this city is documented and tagged so that we know their whereabouts and power capacity at all times. I obviously have some big footsteps to follow, but I think we'll be up for the task.
In an exclusive interview by reporter John Webb, he talks with reclusive businessman Tobias about his philanthropy